Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Blackhead Tools is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for anyone battling stubborn blackheads and blemishes, offering a more controlled and effective approach compared to squeezing with fingers. These specialized instruments, ranging from fine-tipped extractors to loop-based devices, are designed to precisely target and remove clogged pores, minimizing skin irritation and the risk of infection. They empower users with the ability to achieve clearer, smoother skin by providing the right tools for the job, making them an essential addition to any skincare routine for those seeking professional-level results at home. Number 5. Blackhead Remover Comedone Extractor Acne Removal Kit. Tired of stubborn blackheads and blemishes? Discover a revolutionary way to achieve clearer skin with our advanced removal kit. Designed for precision and ease, this kit effortlessly extracts comedones and acne, revealing a smoother complexion. Experience powerful results without irritation. Our tools are crafted to be gentle on your skin while effectively tackling imperfections. Achieve professional-level results in the comfort of your home. It's your secret weapon for consistently clear and radiant skin. Say goodbye to breakouts and hello to confidence. Embrace the journey to healthier-looking skin with this essential beauty tool. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive set of tools for various blackhead concerns. With multiple sizes and shapes, you can tackle different types of blemishes effectively. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to address a range of skin issues, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit includes a variety of tools for different types of blackheads and pores. The stainless steel material is durable and easy to clean. The pointed extractor is effective for stubborn blackheads. Number 4. GUGUG Pink Skin Scrubber Spatula. Tired of stubborn blackheads and excess oil? Our advanced skin scrubber offers a deep cleanse for your pores, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Experience versatile skin care with 4 distinct modes designed to tackle various concerns. Whether it's cleansing or exfoliation, it adapts to your needs. Say goodbye to blackheads with this effective pore cleaner. It gently yet powerfully removes impurities for a smoother, clearer complexion. Designed for convenience, it works best on wet skin, ensuring a comfortable and effective cleansing experience every time you use it. Enjoy worry-free use with its 5-minute auto-off feature. Plus, it's easily rechargeable via USB, making it perfect for your daily routine. Achieve a radiant glow with this gentle yet effective facial spatula. It purifies your skin without causing irritation, revealing your natural beauty. What we like? Experience deep cleansing with its 4 versatile modes. It's designed for use on wet skin, making your routine more flexible. If you prefer a device that simplifies your skincare and offers multiple functions for a thorough clean, consider this option. What people say. The kit comes with a variety of tools, each designed for a specific purpose, making it easy to tackle different types of blackheads and blemishes. The extraction tools are made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean, ensuring hygienic use. The sharp end of the needle is precise for piercing stubborn blackheads, and the loop end effectively removes them without damaging the skin. Number 3. GUGUG Skin Scrubber Spatula Pore Cleaner. Introducing the GUGUG Skin Scrubber Spatula. Achieve a deep cleanse for your skin, targeting blackheads, pores, and whiteheads effectively. This device features 4 distinct modes to cater to your specific skincare needs. Experience a customized and thorough cleaning every time. Say goodbye to stubborn blackheads and enlarged pores. Its advanced technology gently lifts impurities for visibly clearer skin. Designed for your convenience, it includes a 5-minute auto-off feature for safety and peace of mind. USB charging makes it easy to power up anywhere. It comes with 2 soft silicone heads, enhancing the cleansing experience and ensuring gentle application. Enjoy a spa-like treatment at home. With its USB charging capability, this pore cleaner is always ready when you are. Its portable design makes it perfect for use at home or while traveling. What we like? This device provides deep pore cleansing with 4 distinct modes. The inclusion of 2 silicone heads enhances its versatility for different skin needs. If you desire a tool that offers enhanced exfoliation and a convenient, timed cleansing experience, this would be ideal. What people say. The extraction tools are sharp and effective for removing blackheads and whiteheads. The kit comes with a variety of tools for different types of blemishes. The stainless steel material is durable and easy to clean. Number 2. BESTOPE Blackhead Remover Tool. Tired of stubborn blackheads and blemishes? Discover a simple and effective way to achieve clearer skin with this essential tool. Crafted for precision, this tool helps you tackle pimples and comedones with ease. Achieve professional-looking results right at home. Designed to be gentle on your skin, it effectively removes impurities without causing irritation. Say goodbye to frustrating breakouts. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for a complete skincare routine. It's your go-to solution for a flawless complexion. Keep your tool organized and protected with the included metal case. It's perfect for travel or everyday use. Reveal your best skin yet. With consistent use, you'll notice a significant improvement in skin texture and clarity. What we like? Achieve professional-level blemish treatment with this set. It comes in a durable metal case, keeping your tools organized and protected. If you're seeking a reliable and portable solution for treating pimples and whiteheads, this is a solid pick. What people say. The kit includes a variety of tools, each designed for different types of blackheads and pores, making it versatile for different facial areas. The extraction needles are sharp and precise, allowing for effective removal of even stubborn blackheads without damaging the skin. Comes with a nice storage case that keeps all the tools organized and hygienic, perfect for travel or home use. Number 1. Seki Edge Blackhead Remover SS801. Tired of stubborn blackheads? Discover a professional solution designed for effective removal. Achieve clearer skin with ease. This is a professional-grade Comedone extractor, built for precision and performance. It's the tool dermatologists trust for a reason. Featuring 2 different hole sizes, it adapts to various needs. This ensures you can tackle any blemish with the right tool. Don't just treat, prevent. Use this tool as part of your routine to stop future breakouts before they start. Maintain healthy, clear skin. It's also an excellent pore extractor, helping to keep your pores clean and refined. Experience a smoother complexion with this versatile device. Trust in the quality and expertise of Seki Edge. This tool is designed for durability and effectiveness, giving you reliable results every time. What we like? This professional-grade tool is designed for precise blackhead extraction. Its 2 hole sizes allow for targeted treatment of different pore sizes. If you're looking for a high-quality, preventive tool to maintain clear pores and manage acne effectively, this is an excellent selection. What people say. This kit has a good variety of tools for different types of blackheads and pores. The tools are made of stainless steel and feel sturdy and well-made. The included case keeps everything organized and makes it easy to travel with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.